I'm Liwen and this is Titus, and today we are doing cha-cha-cha.
Yeah.
We have a really unusual piece of choreography for you because we want you to be more agile and to get used to more unusual transitions.
Isn't this going to be a little challenging for people who maybe are brand new to Cha-Cha, Liwen?
The only way you grow is to challenge yourself. So even if things may seem a little bit harder at first, just with repetition, you're going to follow along with us. You will get it.
And we do it a lot of times, so it becomes really easy to pick it up.
Channel your inner courage.
You got this.
I think it's time to do a little cha.
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 Yes.
Cha. 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 Cha.
Footwork. Now, you start with your weight on the right. Left foot comes forward. Then you replace to your right and you ronde your left foot, make a circle around. Step back on that left. Close your right to your left. Switch your weight. And then press your left foot forward. No weight there. Good. Then you bring your left foot back. And you switch onto the left. Tap your foot to the right. Good. Bring your right foot in. Step on it and tap your left foot to the side. From here, left foot goes back. Replace to the right. And a side on the left. Then a spot turn. Right foot comes around. Replace to your left. Nice. Watch for this transition. Swivel on the left foot. Right foot comes forward. Close your left to your right. And then side on the right. Across chasse. I know, some tricky transitions there. So let's go to the footwork one more time. And coming forward on the left. Back on the right. Ronde your left foot around. Step back on the left foot. Close your right foot to your left. And then tap your left foot forward into a press line. Good. Bring your left foot back. And then switch your weight to the left. Tap your right. Bring your right foot in. Switch your weight to the right. Tap your left. Nice. From here, you step back on the left. Replace to the right. And side to the left. A spot turn. Right foot onto your left. Then keep turning on that left foot and cross your right foot in front. Bring your left foot to meet your right and then side on the right foot. Yes, you did it. Okay, I think we need to do that again. All right, just a little bit faster now, okay? Here we go. And left foot forward, back to the right, ronde. And you go back, close, press line. Good, bring your left in, tap your right. Bring your right in, tap your left. Back on the left, replace to the right and side left. Spot turn, right foot coming forward, turn around, back to the left, and cross chasse. Right, close, side. You're done. Back to the beginning. Timing! You start forward on 2, ronde 3, you go back 4, close, and tap 1. Bring your foot in, and 2, bring your foot in, and 3, go back, 4, and to the side on 1. Then spot turn 2, back to the left 3, cross chasse 4, and 1. Regular cha-cha timing. Yes. Please do it again, Titus.
Okay.
And cha-cha timing. Here we go. 4 and 1. Go 2, 3, 4 and 1, and 2, and 3, 4 and 1. Turn 2, 3, 4 and again. 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Nice. Hey, I saw some nice waves you got going on there too. Hey, I was trying to high five you. Watch closely. All right, I'm gonna go through with you slowly some of the transitions we're doing in this routine because they're more unusual. But if you get them down, it's gonna make you more agile, okay? Here we go. From the top, I'm gonna mirror it. So this is gonna be your right side. Here, all right, here we go. From the top, we have a ronde. 2, 3, 4, and this is an unusual transition. It's more of a press. Usually you get onto the foot. So we see that again. So you have 2, 3, 4, and press line here. Good. Keep your weight on the back leg. And 2, and 3, 4 and 1. Spot turn 2, 3. Another unusual transition. Usually you're used to going like a side chasse after a spot turn, or you're used to going like a forward lock maybe, or you're used to going like compact, but right here we're gonna go spot turn into a cross chasse, cross, together, side. More unusual, works those brain muscles in connection with your body to make you more agile. So we're gonna see that all together again. From the top, we have 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3. This is unusual. 4 and 1. Okay, so you're gonna take some extra juice to make that full turnaround after your spot turn. Yeah, 2, 3. Some extra juice on that left leg. Left is going back to go into your cross chasse. You got this. Would you do it to music with me? Why won't you talk to me? Fine, you be that way. I hate you! Thank you for joining us today in our cha-cha routine. If you'd like to do more steps, you can check out our top 10 cha-cha steps right there. And if you want to get technique, then click right down here for cha-cha technique essentials. I love it! Yes! And also subscribe to our YouTube channel right down here. And I'll see you in our Zoom classes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!